Hi guys, welcome to the show. I'm really glad you could come today. Look, this is my friend Dolly. Hey Dolly. Hello, hello, hello. Dolly, what are you? Can you tell everybody? Yes, I am a dolphin. A dolphin. Yes, I am. Yes. I'm a dolly. I'm a dolphin. I'm 3 years old, and I live in the sea. I like to swim and I like to jump, and well, yeah, that's it basically. Yeah, that's what I like to do. Oh, great. So, what are you doing here today? Well, today I thought I'd come along and we could look at some food. Yes, because I want to try to eat different things. I think it's very good to eat different things, and I would like to try some of the food that you have. Oh wow, okay. Well, I got lots of food here. I've got. I don't know what you're gonna think of this, but I've got this. Ooh, what's that? That is a tomato. A tomato. Hmm. What is a tomato? Well, it's red and it has this little green stalky thing on the top, and it's inside. There's it's kind of some watery, liquidy stuff. You cut it open and then you eat it, and it tastes very very nice. But watery stuff is kind of what I eat. I mean, I eat a lot of watery stuff anyway, because I'm a dolphin. So most of everything, to be honest, that I eat is watery. So I don't have. I've never had a tomato, but have you got anything else? Yeah, sure. I'll put that there. Um, let's see. What else might you like? I've got some bread. Ooh, that looks interesting. Yes. What is that made of? This is made of. Well, this one's made of wheat, and it's been wheat grows in fields. I don't. Oh, okay. And it's yellow. Wheat's yellow. Oh, I see. Okay. And we pick it and we turn it into bread, into flour, which is white mostly or brown, and then we make it into bread. Ooh, can I try some? Yes, you can. Oh, it's very different. It's not, it's quite dry. Yes, it is. It is. And oh, I like it. There are no bones. No bones in bread. Yes, I like it. It's also very, very soft. Yeah, it's good for you as well, you know. Oh, I like that, yes. Maybe I should try a little bit of the tomato. Oh, that's interesting. It's quite, it makes my brain go pop. Really? Yes. It's a completely different flavour to what I know. And no bones there either. No bones in tomatoes. What do you eat? Mostly I eat fish. So quite a lot of bones in fish. Hey, well, yeah, there are. Okay, well, here's another something you might like. I don't know. Oh, that's orange, isn't it? Yes, that's right. That's orange. With green at this end. And what's it called? It's called carrots. Carrots. Carrots.